If you have seen our previous tutorial, you'll already have learned how to install Immich on your ASUSTOR NAS, as well as how to set up the app on your smartphone. In this video, we'll take a look at how to automatically upload your photos and videos so your memories are regularly backed up. Once your Immich server is running and the app on your smartphone is connected, you'll be able to turn on automatic upload inside the Immich app. In this video, we'll look at the differences between Android and iOS when using Immich. On your Android device, head to the Backup section in Immich and choose an album. You can use an existing album or create a new one. These albums then act as base folders for Immich and are checked regularly for new images. In Backup options, you'll also need to enable automatic foreground and background backup. After starting the first backup manually, you'll be able to continue adding pictures, and they will be automatically uploaded. I've added a screenshot to this album, and this screenshot will be uploaded automatically. For smooth background uploads, you should also enable Background Auto Start in Settings. Also, it's important to disable battery optimization to allow background uploads to complete successfully. On iOS, the process is very similar. You choose your picture, choose an album, and enable automatic foreground and background backup. You'll then be able to add new images to this album, but Immich cannot reliably guarantee backup uploads on iOS. The official Immich FAQ also confirms this, since iOS decides which background tasks are allowed to run, and Immich has no control over that. If you enable background refresh for the app, you can improve the chances. To ensure pictures successfully upload, you'll need to briefly open the app, after which Immich will continue uploading. Despite the iOS limitations, you still get a completely private solution with Immich that regularly and securely stores your photos and videos on your ASUSTOR NAS without uploading them to external cloud services. Thank you for watching. Don't forget, like, comment, and subscribe, and we'll see you next time.